This video, I'm going to teach you what to do when your direct deposit is late on Venmo. As you have noticed, I have right here this same user that has the same problem. So if you actually want your direct deposit to not be delayed, you may actually want to try this step. So first, double check the account details. Make sure your employer has the correct Venmo account information for your direct deposit because even a small typo can cause issues. Next, check the timing. Sometimes direct deposits can be delayed due to bank processing times or weekends and holidays. Check if the day aligns with any such delays, and you can see if that actually may be the error. Now, Venmo has a limits and policies as well, so make sure that when you're doing transfers, it will not exceed your limits and it will not violate any policies. So check your Venmo app notifications or messages for any alerts. You can also contact Venmo for support and ask your employment for proof of payment so you can see if the payment confirmation or trace number. You might help Venmo track it down on their end. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.